Very nice albergue. We've come down here for a nice breakfast. Let's go see what he's got.
Buenos días.
Día.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien.
Bien.
¿Qué tal has dormido?
Sí.
Good. Yes, please. I've got my butter and jam. Got some hard-boiled eggs, fresh fruit, yummy cakes. On Toast Patrol. She loves toast. This little guy's going on the road with me. Yeah.
You take a cake with you?
A pilgrim with a cart. Oh, she's a pilgrim. She's got a cart. We are leaving. She's checking her map. This was a great albergue. We loved the host. It's about 45 degrees. And we have about 14 kilometers to go today. And we are going to Astorga. There you go. The snoods are extremely important on the Camino. You can find one for $2.69, all the way up to $16. I found one in Leon for $2.69. We're just hitting the road. I think it's a little before 8. The sun is rising back here, and we're walking through a cornfield. We have 15 kilometers to go to Astorga. And I've been walking with only one stick to use with my right hand, and the other stick I attached to the backpack. Anyway, I've been walking this way with this shoulder bag on my good shoulder and one walking stick. I've been walking this way for 3 days. Today I decided to try walking with 2 sticks, and it's too soon because I definitely feel an ache in my
Time 30 minutes 37 seconds total distance.
Going to a town called Astorga, and a very popular, renowned for its chocolate factory there. So I'm gonna see if I can get a chocolate bar or 2. Not that I have room in my backpack for anything more. But I think I want to bring the kid back a chocolate bar from Spain. Yeah.
Imagine walking really early on the really rainy day.
Cotton sheets.
Ejemplar de punto cerrado. Destaca el tamaño de sus ojos. ¿Veis cómo se le apoda el punto de los grandes ojos? Nadando en esta.
An alternate route to Astorga. More scenic route than the road that... It's a more scenic route. Little Donativo, we haven't seen much of these. You know, you take what you want, you give him some... He's like taking their jackets off because we're all hot now. Yeah, my hair's got it going on right now, right? Francine is chatting with some French people. We're all on a little hill here, and we are on our 30th day of walking, consecutive days without a rest day. We're doing pretty good. Okay, now we're walking, we're about 4.5 kilometers from our starting point. And walking through some pretty farmland. Some cows right up ahead in the pasture. Look at the name of this town. I stayed here in 2019. I love it. Little.
No, it's funny.
Okay. Well, there you go. The girls got to do what the girls got to do. The flies are a little
The bug,
annoying.
they bound me. They finished about me.
These- We've been walking on this boulder stuff all morning, and it's exhausting because you have to watch every step. For me, it's hard because my shadow's in front of me, and just makes it more difficult for me. But I'm getting, it's a nice trail. We've got a lot of Quebec folks in front of us that talk to Francine, and it's a pretty trail, but oh, it's hard on the feet.
Okay, they see me. This other one, they see me.
It's a nice big hill. we're
You know
climbing
why?
up. Still on this brutal trail with these boulders, bull rock it's called, and it's just real hard on the feet. Summited that little hill, and at the top we saw the famous, what I call hippie camp. I'm not sure what they call it, but it's the coolest donativo and the highlight of today's walk. It's right here. Wait till you guys see this. This is great. Something you'd see at Woodstock, this place. Oh, they have some hammocks over there. Wait till you see this. Watch yourself on that.
It's cooked? Oh no, it's not.
Sí, sí, duro. Sí, claro, claro.
Okay.
I cooked this morning.
Nice.
Just one egg is not cooked. Surprise.
Try to find which one.
Where can I put this? I wash it for you.
Maybe we'll take an orange and, oh God, sorry.
Okay, I have one. I will get over two. You know, yes, I will get over.
Wait.
You just put it in a small bag. I will show you which one.
Can you grab me one banana?
Maybe we can put.
There you go.
You know what we can do?
Hold on, hold on.
I think I will change.
And that, in a couple of days, we're going to be going to the Cruz de Ferro. which is the place where you bring your rock that you've carried and you place it at the foot of the cross. And I understand right around there is a big swarm of flies, and you'd be well to walk with a mosquito net like Francine is doing. So I'm going to see if I can find a mosquito net in Astorga, because the flies are kind of abundant today. Get excited, this is not my hat. We found it in the last city. I'm just wearing it because the sun is again on my left side and just blinding me. So other than that, it's a beautiful day. We're walking through some beautiful forest over this ridge, and we can see Astorga just on the other side of these trees. It's a big city. And I think tomorrow we're going to be walking up those big hills. We're in Astorga. Yeah. Got it. We have reached our albergue. God. Okay, this is my room. And I think I usually take the bed down below and closest to the bathroom. Just got into town, we got our bed, and now we want to go get something to eat or maybe fix for dinner, and definitely look at the chocolate options. This town is well known for its chocolate. I need a damn hat. This is probably my favorite church on the entire Camino. It looks like it should belong in Anaheim, California, and Disneyland, doesn't it? Found a grocery store. Oh my God.
Did you find the way? What do you want?
Nice albergue. Still checking in pilgrims over there. Nice seating area. Has its own little kitchen. Okay. Right? So we bought some $3 salads, ready-made salads there from the store. I'll show you. Okay. Ready-made salads, right? So all we need to add to the salad, because it's got dressing inside, is maybe some protein, some eggs. So we bought some eggs and we're boiling them.